बुला लीजिए।
बुला ले।
हाँ बुला ले।
अच्छा तो लेट्स कॉल ऑन स्टेज द मैन हिमसेल्फ, जो हर चैट शो को होस्ट करते हैं, जो हर मूवी शो को होस्ट करते हैं, जो हर अवार्ड शो को भी होस्ट करते हैं। वेल, द लेजेंड हिमसेल्फ, द धर्माराज ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा, प्लीज वेलकम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन मिस्टर करण जौहर। सर एक रिचुअल है, कोई भी ऐसे बड़ा काम होता है तो एक रिचुअल है कि हम पैर छूते हैं, ठीक है? तो छू लेते हैं पैर, ठीक है?
छू लेते।
ये खुद आप अपने पैर छू रहे हो, ये क्यों?
वो क्या है ना सर, हम नई जनरेशन है ना, तो क्या है कि पहली बार आपके साथ स्टेज पे यहाँ पे ऐसे, तो ऐसी जो फीलिंग है ना, तो बहुत ही कमाल की है। तो ऐसा लगा कि यार खुद ही के पैर छू के खुद ही को आशीर्वाद दे देते हैं ना। तो
कभी कभार वो छोटे छोटे शहरों से भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो जाती हैं सर, है ना? तो
देखिए वे वेरी एक्साइटेड कि आप दोनों होस्ट कर रहे हो और मेरी सारी दुआएं आपके साथ हैं, दोनों के साथ हैं।
Thank you,
एक होस्ट की तरफ से, यहाँ तो मैं निर्देशक निर्माता दोनों हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ इस मंच पे होस्ट हूँ, तो होस्ट होने के नाते मैं आप दोनों को बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स, दुआएं देना चाहता हूँ। आई होप यू आर गोना रियली रॉक इट at IFA Rocks and you all are both going to kill it. Film industry together with IFA Utsavam and IFA coming together. This is a grand celebration of cinema all at once. And when we say grand and we say big and we say large, then we go the biggest. And so the gentleman I'm going to call on stage, it doesn't get bigger than him. It hasn't got, and he's the biggest part of my life, my career, and the biggest part of our cinema, the proudest part of our cinema. He is a legacy movie star, a bona fide legend, and not just an artist that has swept the world with emotion, action, drama, but he's also that man with a golden heart, and he matches the statue to every inch. Please welcome the bona fide king and the crown that should never leave, his persona, Shah Rukh Khan.
हेलो।
I am thankful now, after so many years, trying to come back. I hope we can present well, keep people entertained, and keep it very short.
Yes.
And crisp.
And know when to
and
leave.
fast, yeah. And please come for the rehearsals, Karan.
No. I've left that to you. I know this is a chat we should have in private, but please can you take care of that?
Okay. So Karan has told me he's not going to rehearse for hosting. He'll do it on Zoom. भाई मैं जूम पे कर लूंगा, मैं बड़ा जल्दी जल्दी करता हूँ, मैं तो इतना होस्टिंग करता हूँ ना। अभी ये बोल रहे थे ना ये सिद्धांत की, मैं तो ये क्या है, मैं चैट शो भी होस्ट करता है, फिल्म शो भी होस्ट करता है, ये पिक्चरें भी तो बना मेरे भाई, तू कितना होस्ट करेगा?
यही मैं वही सोच रहा था जब सिद्धांत बोल रहा था, तो आई वाज लाइक दिस इज साउंडिंग रॉन्ग ऑन ऑल लेवल्स फॉर अ फिल्म मेकर कि आई शुड बी मेकिंग मोर मूवीज। दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई शुड बी डूइंग, बट
इसलिए तो रिहर्सल जूम पे कर ले, बाकी पिक्चर
आप संभाल लो। मैं स्पॉन्सर्स के नेम ले लूंगा।
थैंक यू।
हाँ प्लीज, आई विल डू दैट।
और हम कनन को बीच में नहीं आने देंगे, वो स्पॉन्सर्स को चुप करा देता है बिफोर दे फिनिश।
ऑलराइट, listen boys, you're on for a ride and we're really excited that both of you are hosting IFA Rocks, and along with of course Vicky, all of us, like we're a community of hosts this time. But we also have an incredible host in the house with us who is actually going to be hosting IFA Utsavam, big integral part of South cinema. I know for me, the origin of my entry into that cinema came with Rana, and I will always be grateful because Bahubali happened because of Rana. Rana, please join us on stage.
We are fully South Indian, so this is how we do it. That's being South Indian, sir.
Rana, we're so excited that we're all going to be together. And what do you have to say about the fact that this is truly a celebration of Indian cinema with 5 languages being awarded, you know, all at once at one ceremony? I mean, at one event.
So, sir, I don't know if you remember, we were 4 of the languages. We had an event in Dubai at one point, and we came to after party in your house.
Should I tell them about it? I was trying to keep it under
You're trying to
wraps.
keep it under wrap. Now we're official. Now
Yes.
we're actually on stage. We're actually in IFA. We're actually on the same day.
And don't worry, it's just the media that covers about like 1,000 countries at this point of time. So you can say what you want.
No, I was just the fact that he is so hospitable.
Yeah.
He's actually entertained the entire four industries, not just as an actor, but as a human being. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And really, Karan, it started with you. The fact that we got Bahubali here, the first time all the languages started speaking cinema in some form. So thank you for that. And IFA, thank you for putting all us together. The earlier night, are you guys coming for the Utsavam?
Yes.
Thank you. So I think that
It's,
that'll be
it's a deliverable.
it's a deliverable. Oh.
Yeah. We are coming. Clap louder, y'all asked us to.
Thank you, the three IFA partners, for making this happen.
Yeah.
I think this is really the first time, sir. All of you all are at the South Indian Utsavam.
Yeah,
Oh, so
it
the
is.
first
Actually, it's
time, yes,
amazing. Like I said, it's quite fantastic. We're really excited about what's to come. And in fact, what a weekend. We start with IFA Utsavam, you have IFA Hindi, and then you have IFA Rocks. And then there's a lot of activities happening with all our talent. We have an incredible lineup, all very excited, and mainly because the main man is here. So thank you, Shah Rukh, thank you, Rana, and we'll all leave now.
Thank you.
We'll call Siddharth Kannan back because he may ask us to leave anyways.